Hi there, this is Shannon with Classy and Sassy Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking the time to review this quick little video of some tips and tricks you can utilize to rank on Google. We're just helping local businesses take off a few hats that they wear and so they can use their time elsewhere and what is important to them in their business. So I went ahead and pulled up your website. Great modern looking website. I did want to point out that Google likes to see anywhere from 2,000 to 2,500 words for content on their home page, and in that they like to see organic keywords. So if we look at the back end of your website, you have 311 backlinks, 47 referring domains, and 104 organic keywords. Many are searching for you in particular, and then your Reliable Heating and Air Atlanta has 100 searches a month, so that's a great one to have. And let's see, Heating Atlanta, another 150. So you have some great organic keywords on there as well. I pulled up one of your competitors, wanted to point out that pictures can be considered content as well, as long as they are labeled and applied correctly. Same with videos. So I pulled them up as well. They have a ton of backlinks. Now, one thing with backlinks, not all backlinks are created equal. You definitely want quality versus quantity. And Google does know the difference on that. They have 486 referring domains and again, a ton of organic keywords. And they have some national ranking words. Air conditioning repair near me puts them at number 5 in the area. They're looking for, people are searching for them in particular. So they have quite a bit of organic keywords, and it looks like a lot of national ones. So I pulled up another competitor. Again, great modern looking website, have some reviews. Could definitely use some more content. Again, they're overwhelmed with backlinks and keywords and national ranking ones as well. So they probably have some articles or little blogs on their website that's helping them rank here as well, with 7,200 searches a month, and that put them in the number 5 position. And when I talk about the positions, we'll pull up Google here. So if you're going to advertise, I definitely recommend advertising on Google or Facebook. You just get more bang for your buck. And on Google, this is where the ads are placed, is up here. Now this is what we call map pack. Map pack is definitely where you want to aim to be by ranking. And the reason for that is potential customers are going to call the first 2 to 3 services that they see for quotes and whatnot, and then you can convert those into your customers. Down here is organic listings. Again, you definitely want to be on the first page of the organic listings. That helps drive your business up and create more customers for you. Now, another way to rank on Google is citations. Citations are very easy to obtain. It is kind of tedious and time consuming, but it's very easy. All it is your business name, phone number, and address, and they're placed on various sites such as Yelp, that sort of thing, and then your reviews from your customers and your GMB. So I hope you found this video beneficial. I hope it helps with some tips and tricks. Please send me a quick email letting me know how I did, and that way I can make sure I'm providing value to small businesses and businesses out there. If you have any questions, my phone number is 541-900-1096. Thank you.